Got the 44 hooked up to the King Ranch. We're finna head down to Florida because this goofball wants to pick up another truck because you need another truck, don't you? You don't have enough trucks, do you?
No, 7.
Listen, he doesn't have enough fucking money to pay his fucking live because he has to pay his tickets. Now he's gonna go get
I live in my truck.
more tickets in so he can be homeless for the rest of his life.
I'm gonna live on the trailer. Build a house on the trailer.
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm not.
I gotta get.
So we finally made it to Florida. It's looking damn clean.
Yeah, it's a resting mod. We bought it and within 15 hours it sold.
Really?
Yeah.
I believe it.
Holy shit.
Damn.
It's beautiful. Gorgeous.
Maybe one day.
Instead of buying a Lambo, I'll just buy one of these. There you go. Or if
Should.
you want best of both, buy El Camino.
Well, yeah, we're buying El Camino.
I love these.
That is clean.
This old beater.
Yeah.
I got a dog too. You have a dog? No way.
Gabe's excited about the donk. You got a donk? No way. This dude.
This LP battery. 69 Chevelle dog.
69 Chevelle.
But it's fucking cleaned out. The interior in this thing.
Oh my.
Speakers everywhere. There's fucking subs in the back. Like, look at the back. What are we doing wrong?
I have no idea. If you tell me you have a 68 Dodge Coronet, I'm gonna have to steal it.
You don't have a 68 house Coronet.
Okay.
We don't.
But you got lucky because I was gonna load it on the trailer.
We've had it before already, but.
That was my first car ever, and I really want one again.
I had a farm truck 7.3.
This dude. Ooh.
Yeah, it's fucking good. This thing was definitely on some 26.
Mustang and a Chevelle. This is another Challenger. What year is that Challenger?
This one's 73.
Damn. Ooh, boy. What'd you pick up?
I don't know, from a gay ass race truck.
It's stock. Second gen's mean. Shut this. This thing's gnarly, dog. It's rocking the whole trailer.
It has so much torque, it's shaking that truck when you do it.
Oh no, Terry. Oh no. Put it in reverse, Terry. This thing's gonna be a whole spaceship. LP Fab hooking me up good. And look at this fucking second gen. You're gonna see me from Mars.
Hey, I started.
She overheated a little bit. They were brand new a day ago. I don't even know what I'm looking at anymore. Pop, pop.
I proved it burnout.
Pavement's fucking smoking.
Like that bitch.
completely fucked, bro. Yep, you did a number, bud. Yeah. All right, that's what fucking three-wheeling does. Destroy the dually fender. Bro. I mean, come on, bro. So he... Bro, he's okay, so he fucking blew the fucking turbo on the second gen, and then he yeets the shit out of his coilovers.